Spearman rank order correlation. In statistics, Spearman's rank order correlation is a non-parametric measure of how closely two variables' rankings align. It ranges from -1 to 1, with 1 indicating perfect agreement, -1 perfect disagreement, and 0 no correlation. It's ideal for ranked data like countries' medal standings. Next is the learning outcomes. First, understand the purpose of Spearman rank order correlation and identify when it is appropriate to use. Second, apply the steps for ranking data and computing the Spearman correlation coefficient. And last is determine the strength and direction of the relationship based on the computed value. So first po is the step 1. Rank the number of x and y from highest to lowest. I-arrange po natin muna ang mga numbers mula sa pinakamalaki or highest papunta sa pinakamaliit or lowest po. Then tingnan po muna natin kung alin ang may pinakamataas na value or numbers. Then sunod-sunod po natin silang ayusin. So dito po sa math score, ang may pinakamataas po ay 67. Then sunod po ay 50, then 45, then 42 po, and 36. Tapos ang last po ay ang 23. Sa science score naman po, ang may pinakamataas ay 70. Next is 69. Ang pangatlo po ay 62. Then 55, 40. And last po ay 33.
Step 2 of Spearman rank order correlation involves finding the difference between the rank of each pairs of data points, rank of x minus rank of y. For each pair of values, subtract the rank of the second variable from the rank of the first variable x. The result is the difference for the pair. For example, if rank x is 1 and rank y is 3, then 1 minus 3 equals -2. And don't forget the negative signs if the answer have an negative.
For our step 3 naman po, square the difference. Yung nakuha po natin sagot is i-squared lang po natin dun po sa may difference. So, ang sagot po natin dun ay -2. Pag naglalagay po tayo ng sagot sa d-square, dapat po positive lang. Kahit po may negative siya, dapat po positive lang. So, para maging positive po siya, need lang po natin gawin is lagyan po ng parenthesis. So, parenthesis, -2, parenthesis, squared. Maging positive po yung sagot. And if wala naman po siyang negative, squared lang po tayo nang nilalagay. For example po, 4 squared. Ganun lang po. I-multiply lang po natin sa sarili niya. So, -2 squared, 4. 0 squared, 0. -2. Squared, 4. 2 squared, 4. 0 squared, 4. 2 squared, 4. Yun lang po.
Step 4. Adding all the d-squared value. In this step, we add all the d-squared or the squared difference. As shown in the table, the d-squared value are 4, 0, 4, 4, 0, and 4. Now, we add all of these value together. When we compute 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4 equals 18. Therefore, the total of the sum d-squared is 16.
Step 5 is to use the Spearman rank correlation formula. The formula is R sub s equals 1 minus 6 times the sum of d's divided by n minus 1. First, identify d, which is the difference between the two ranks for each pair of data. Next, square each difference to get d squared. Then add all the gathered squared difference together. After that, determine n, which is the total number of data pairs. Now, substitute the values into this formula. multiply 6 by the difference. Compute n squared minus 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Finally, subtract the results from 1, and the final answer will be the sphere-rank correlation coefficient. This value tells us the difference between the two variables. A value close to 1 means a strong positive relationship. A value close to -1 means a strong negative relationship. A value near 0 means little or no correlation. Now, after interpreting the result, substituting all the computed values in the formula, we get the final value of 0.54. This value represents the correlation coefficient, also known as R. Since 0.54 is greater than 0, it indicates a strong positive relationship between two variables. However, it is not close to 1, so the relationship is not strong. Therefore, we can conclude that there is a moderate positive correlation. This means that one variable increases, the other variable also tends to increase but not perfectly. Hence, the final answer is a moderate positive correlation.
Zero no correlation. Negative 0.1, negative 0.3, weak negative correlation. Negative 0.3, negative 6.3, moderate negative correlation. Negative 0.7, negative 7, strong negative correlation.